Vera. Easy to grow, but we don't use it very much. This one's got the flower growing as well. This one's 2 years old. This one's the same there, but 2 years old as well. People make drinks and do all sorts of things with the aloe vera, but I've not really tried it. It's super large, eh? That's a flower coming out now, and after maybe 1 week, it'll start to shoot up. There's one in a pot over here. It's a small pot, but the aloe vera, the flowers start to grow now. It goes right up there, up to here. Aloe vera. I maybe look on the YouTube and find some things to use it for, and possibly use it. We'll give it a try, see what happens.